Today we are going to be reacting to Free as a Bird by the Beatles, okay? Oh my god, yes! At first I was like really confused, you know, but then, I had to think back. I listened to everything by the Beatles, and they have a lot of dynamic songs, and that's what I love about them, okay? And who doesn't love a song that's just, about feeling free, feeling just like yourself, being able to fly wherever you want to go, do what you want to do, love that so much.